ओके, जो फेसबुक में अभी अभी आए हैं, आपने थोड़ा मिस किया। तो मैं आ रहा था कि ब्रांडिंग के लिए तीन चीज़ें हैं। एक है वाई, दूसरा है व्हाट और तीसरा है हाउ। तो वाई में मैंने कहा था कि एथलीट्स जो है वो रोल मॉडल्स हैं, दे आर इंस्पिरेशन and they are brand ambassadors. Therefore, they are extraordinary and therefore they can bring about bigger change. Athletes brand जब ambassador बन जाते हैं तो काफ़ी परिवर्तन ला सकते हैं। तो ये हुआ why का मुद्दा। दूसरा मुद्दा था what। what यानी ब्रांड का मतलब क्या है। ब्रांड का मतलब है सोच, ब्रांड का मतलब है आइडिया। उसके दो पहलू है। एक है कि द आइडिया डज नॉट चेंज, ये सोच बदलती नहीं है, हज़ारों साल बदलती नहीं है। मैंने उदाहरण दिया उदयपुर के हाउस ऑफ मेवाड़ का, इटर्नल मेवाड़, दुनिया का सबसे पुराना ब्रांड, 1400 साल पुराना। तो वो हुआ व्हाट। अभी हम लोग आ गए हैं हाउ पे, कि अगर ब्रांड बनाना है तो उसका कोई तरीका है क्या, उसका कोई। तो फिर से मैं मजाक कर रहा था, मैं बोल रहा था कि अगर आप गूगल आंटी को पूछेंगे कि पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग है क्या, तो पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग में आपको काफ़ी कुछ मिलेगा कि आपको इस तरह से ड्रेस पहनना चाहिए, इस तरह से बाल करने चाहिए, मेरे तो है नहीं लेकिन इस तरह से बाल करने चाहिए, और 3 बार इंस्टाग्राम पे जाना चाहिए, 4 बार उस पर जाना चाहिए। लेकिन इससे ब्रांड नहीं बनता। ब्रांड बनता है ब्रांड जीने से। केवल कम्युनिकेशन उसका हिस्सा है, लेकिन केवल कम्युनिकेशन से ब्रांड नहीं बनेगा। तो आ, एक कॉन्सेप्ट है जिसको कहते हैं हाफ लाइफ। हाफ लाइफ जो है वो सोशल मीडिया पे मानो केवल 3 या 4 घंटे का। यानी आपको पहले घंटे में अगर 20 लाइक्स मिले हो तो 3 घंटे के बाद वो 10 हो जाएंगे और उसके बाद 0 हो जाएगा। तो केवल चंद घंटे में ये खत्म होता है। लेकिन हम लोग ब्रांड की बात कर रहे हैं, ब्रांड कह रहे हैं कि वो 5 साल, 10 साल, 15 साल, 20 साल रहना चाहिए, जिंदगी भर रहना चाहिए। तो इसलिए हम लोग सोच रहे हैं कि ब्रांड का तरीका क्या है। तो उसका मॉडल है 3D मॉडल, 3 मॉडल उसके। पहला जो डायमेंशन है मॉडल का वो है वैल्यूज, यानी ये सब चीज़ अगर आप ब्रांड बनाना चाहते हैं तो उसको आपको लिखना पड़ेगा। आप अपने से बैठिए और ये 3 चीज़ें लिख दें। क्यों लिखना है? क्योंकि ये सब आपके जहन में है, आपके मन में है, आपके दिल में है, लेकिन लिखने से क्लैरिटी आ जाती है। वंस यू राइट योर ब्रांड डाउन, यू आर एबल टू रिफर टू इट अगेन एंड अगेन। सो पहला पहलू, फर्स्ट डायमेंशन, मूल्य। मूल्य है इसको रखने के लिए आप मूल्यवान चीज़ें फेंक सकते हैं। दो कि तुम इस तरह से बर्ताव मत करो, उस तरह से करो, लेकिन आप कहोगे कि नहीं, मेरा मूल्य है कि मुझे ये करना ज़रूरी, मैं नहीं समझता, और आप वो गवा देते हैं कि आप अपने पे खड़े हो जाते हैं। जैसे हमारी फेमस स्टोरी है मोहम्मद अली, वन ऑफ द ग्रेट ऑल टाइम, वेरी इंस्पायरिंग फिगर। तो मोहम्मद अली जब गया था ओलंपिक्स में मेडल लाके वापस आ गया, लेकिन अमेरिका में जब आया तब उसको जगह नहीं मिली। क्यों? उन्होंने कहा नहीं, आप काले रंग के हो, आप इस इस रेस्टोरेंट में लोग खिला नहीं सकते। मोहम्मद अली ने उस समय निर्णय लिया कि मेरा शत्रु जो है वो चाइना में नहीं, वियतनाम में नहीं, इधर ही अमेरिका में ही। अमेरिका में जो गोरे लोग हैं जो उनको नीचा दिखाते हैं वही मेरा है। और उसने कहा कि इसलिए मैं अमेरिका के तरफ से वियतनाम के खिलाफ लड़ाई में नहीं जाऊंगा। आई विल नॉट गो फॉर द वियतनाम वॉर। सो द गवर्नमेंट पुट हिम इन प्रिजन। देयरफॉर उनका सबसे अच्छा जो करियर का समय था प्रिजन में चला गया, लेकिन फिर भी वो अपने मूल्य पे अड़े रहे। तो ये है मूल्य की चीज़। आप देखेंगे हमारे राहुल द्रविड़ साहब हैं, वॉल कहा जाता है उनको, लेकिन उनका जो मूल्य है कि शो एवरीथिंग इन एक्शन, बातें नहीं करते वो। तो इतने बड़े होकर भी जब बेटा बेटी के लिए स्कूल में साइंस फेयर के लिए गए, वो अपने और लोगों की तरह एक क्यू में खड़े हुए। लोगों ने देखा कि इसको तो कोई भी आगे जाना देख सकता, लेकिन वो उनका मूल्य ये है कि तरफ किसी का अटेंशन न खींचे, खाली हम काम करते हैं। तो ये हो गई मूल्य की बात। दूसरी बात ये है, एक कॉन्सेप्ट है, दूसरा डायमेंशन, ए आर्कीटाइप। आर्कीटाइप नाम का एक कॉन्सेप्ट है। जैसे आप लोग जो आयुर्वेद जानते हैं, आयुर्वेद में हमारे 3 प्रकृति होती है, वात पित्त कफ। और हमारी क्या प्रकृति है वो हम जान सकते हैं ऑनलाइन जाके, एक सिंपल टेस्ट ले लेके, फिर हम लोगों को पता चलता है कि हम लोग की प्रकृति क्या है। उसी तरह से हम लोग अगर ऑनलाइन जाएंगे और एक आर्कीटाइप्स का जो टेस्ट है वो ले लेंगे, तो आर्कीटाइप्स में क्या होता है, तो बहुत साइंटिफिक तरीके से सोचा गया है, बहुत साल से सोचा गया है। जिस आदमी ने सोचा, कार्ल यूंग, उसने इंडियन फिलॉसफी पढ़ी थी और उससे वो प्रेरित हुआ था। तो हमारे सबकॉन्शियस में जो है वो आर्किटाइप्स में निकल पड़ता है। सो ये होगी दूसरी बात। सो आर्किटाइप्स में अगर आपका आर्किटाइप है वॉरियर, तो आप हमेशा होंगे जो अकेले जूझते रहेंगे। अगर आपका आर्किटाइप है सेज, तो आप दूसरों को मदद करेंगे। इस तरह से ये हुआ दूसरा पहलू, सेकेंड डायमेंशन ऑफ मेकिंग योर ब्रांड। एंड द थर्ड डायमेंशन इज कि व्हाट इज द पर्पस ऑफ लाइफ, आपको जिंदगी में करना क्या है। और जिंदगी में करना है, इस प्रश्न का उत्तर केवल स्पोर्ट्स में। आप पहले इंसान हो फिर एथलीट हो, तो आपको जिंदगी में करना है, आपको दूसरों की मदद करनी है। कोई कहेगा कि नहीं, मुझको लगता है कि मैं स्पोर्ट्समैन हूँ और मैं देखा है कि ज़्यादातर लोगों को, हमारे यहाँ बच्चे जो है उनको प्रोटीन्स नहीं मिलती हैं, तो मैं कुछ ऐसा करूँगा जिससे प्रोटीन देश में ना रहे। तो उसके लिए आपको बहुत सारा करना पड़ेगा, किसी साइंटिस्ट को अपनी तरफ लेना पड़ेगा, किसी मैन्युफैक्चरर को अपनी तरफ लेना पड़ेगा। लेकिन अगर वो आपका मकसद है, दैट इज़ योर एम इन लाइफ, देन इट विल बी इंस्पायरिंग। ये 3 चीज़ों को लिख लेना। आपने और एक एथलीट के बारे में सोचा होगा, हाइली गेब्रियेसी, जो वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट मैराथन रनर्स ऑन अर्थ। तो उनका बिलीफ सिस्टम था, उनकी सोच ये थी कि एक्शन करो, किसी के लिए रुको नहीं, डोंट वेट फॉर एनीबडी। जो टायर हो गए तब उनको लगा था कि इथियोपिया में फिल्म इंडस्ट्री नहीं है, फिल्म इंडस्ट्री होनी चाहिए, तो वो किसी के लिए रुके नहीं, उन्होंने खुद जाके एक फिल्म हॉल खोला। पहले दिन केवल 5 लोग थे, लेकिन धीरे धीरे हो गया और वो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री तैयार हो गई। उनको लगा था कि इथियोपिया कॉफ़ी को बढ़ावा देना चाहिए, तो वो रुके नहीं, he didn't wait for anybody, he just built a road directly to the coffee plantation without waiting for the government. So these are examples of a higher purpose, a goal in life. You know what Abhinav Bindra is doing. Abhinav Bindra is saying कि स्पोर्ट्स से कि भी आदमी के इनमें परिवर्तन आ सकता है। तो वो अपने दोस्त के साथ, इटालियन दोस्त के साथ, रेफ्यूजीज जो हैं उनको मेडल के लिए ट्रेनिंग कर रहा है। कि वो कर रहा है कि ठीक है, बंदूक के कारण ये रेफ्यूजी है, लेकिन बंदूक से ही वो बड़े बनाएंगे। आप लोग सुना होगा मिल्खा सिंह जी के, जब पाकिस्तान से आए, लेकिन जब बड़े हो गए, सारे रिकॉर्ड्स तोड़े, एक रिकॉर्ड 40 साल रहा, और ये सब करने के बाद उन्होंने किताब लिखी। और वो किताब जब फिल्म बनने वाली थी तब उन्होंने कहा कि नहीं, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू चार्ज मनी फॉर दिस, जस्ट गिव मी टोकन 1 रुपी, बट whatever is the profit that will go to charity, because मैं जानता था का क्या होता है। सो ये सब जो कहानियाँ हमारे एथलीट्स की, ये सब कहानियाँ हैं उन लोगों की जिनके मन में, दिल में, जहन में एक गोल था, एक मकसद था। केवल परफॉर्मेंस मकसद नहीं था कि कुछ और बड़ा दुनिया के लिए करने का। अब पहले हमने शुरुआत की वाई, फिर व्हाट, हाउ में आ गए तीन डायमेंशंस। एक है वैल्यूज़, जो मूल्य है, जो कभी नहीं बदलते। दूसरा है आर्किटाइप्स, वो जो अपने अंदरूनी स्ट्रक्चर है कॉन्शियसनेस का, वो नहीं बदलता। और तीसरा है हमारे ज़िंदगी का मकसद। सो ये तीन चीज़ें जो कभी बदलेंगी नहीं, उनके बीच से आपका ब्रांड निकलेगा कि ये ब्रांड क्या है। तो ये हो गई वाई, व्हाट और हाउ के जवाब। अब आखिरी एक आइडिया, और उसके बाद हम लोग क्वेश्चन जो है इंस्टाग्राम पे या फेसबुक पे जहाँ भी आप क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगे और मैं शायद उनका सवाल दूंगा। सब सवाल का जवाब नहीं होगा, लेकिन कोशिश जरूर करूँगा। ठीक है, तो एक आखिरी चीज़ बोलनी है ब्रांडिंग के बारे में। वो है कि पहले हम लोग इंसान हैं और बाद में हमारे सब रोल्स उसके नीचे आते हैं। तो पहला इंसान का रोल सबसे बड़ा है, उसके अंदर शायद एथलीट हो, मेरे जैसा ब्रांड कंसल्टेंट हो, मेरे जैसा लेखक हो, तो वो सब रोल उसके अंदर आ जाते हैं। और वो इंसान जो है और जो एथलीट है, इसके बीच में कोई गैप नहीं है। अगर आप एथलीट हो और कह रहे हो कि मेरा विश्वास है, मेरी सोच है कि इक्वालिटी होनी चाहिए, वुमन एंड इक्वल, एनी कास्ट इक्वल, एनी नेशन इक्वल, अगर ये आपकी सोच है तो वो सोच आपके हर बर्ताव में दिखनी चाहिए। वो केवल प्लेइंग ग्राउंड पे या स्टेडियम पे नहीं, आपके हर दिन के इसमें दिखनी चाहिए, क्योंकि उसे कहते हैं एक्चुअल ऑथेंटिसिटी, उसे कहते हैं सच्चाई। मैंने सोशल मीडिया का जिक्र किया। सोशल मीडिया इज़ अ फैक्ट ऑफ लाइफ and it lasts doesn't last too long, but social media has made everybody publisher। हर एक आदमी या औरत दूसरे आदमी और औरत को फ्री से बात कर सकते हैं। तो आपके बारे में भी बातचीत होगी। आप एथलीट हो, आप ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हो, वो बात पॉजिटिव तब रहेगी जब आप इंसान के तौर पे जो करते हो और एथलीट होने के तौर पे जो करते हो उसमें कोई गैप। तो ये रहा आज का वाई, व्हाट, हाउ और आखिरी ऑथेंटिटी। अगर अब कुछ क्वेश्चंस हो तो हम लोग क्वेश्चंस के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं। वंस अगेन थैंक यू मिनिस्टर साहब, थैंक यू all of you for listening for a full half an hour. Third is passion, purpose. I couldn't understand the term used in Hindi. So in English, the three dimensions are: one are values. Values are things which you stick to, even if whatever is of value to you gets lost. You might lose a friend, you might lose money, like Muhammad lost his chance to fight boxing while he was in prison. So that is values, that's dimension one. Dimension two is archetype, which is about subconsciously who you are. And the third one is about your purpose. What is your purpose in life? So once, and the purpose need not related only to sports. The purpose can be, I believe India has a water crisis. So पानी की चिंता है, इसलिए मैं as a brand ambassador I will help India overcome the water crisis. और you might say कि बचपन में मेरी बहन को opportunities नहीं मिली, my sister didn't get opportunities and that was very bad for her. I will do in life is make sure that young girls get opportunities of education, learning art, of learning science, all of that. So as a athlete and as a brand ambassador, you have the power to inspire people for multiple things in life, not just about sports. Any other questions? Where can I take them? Sir, please explain the second dimension. The second dimension is second dimension is a word called archetypes. Archetypes is a scientifically researched term. ARCHETYPE. ARCHETYPE. अगर आप उसको गूगल करोगे साइकोलॉजी की साइट पे आपको आर्टिकल्स मिलेंगे और उसका टेस्ट मिलेगा. उस टेस्ट से फ्रॉम दैट टेस्ट यू कैन मेक आउट what your archetype is, and that will be a guide about what are the things subconsciously you are and subconsciously you are not. So there are some people who like to work by themselves, वो अपने से काम करना चाहते हैं. There are some people who like to work in a group. There are some people who manage change. There are some who don't like change. तो इसके ऊपर वो archetype बना हुआ है, and that will help you to learn more about yourself, because you must learn about yourself as a human being first, then as a athlete or as a sports person. That is what will make you your personal brand very strong and very authentic. What are the very good question? What are the steps that an athlete needs to have to become a brand? He may not have brand consultant. So this is why me as a brand consultant have given you this free method of creating your own brand. You don't need a brand. You need to sit by yourself, write all of these things so that you are very clear. Write down simple words. If you're writing down your values, for instance, value that I got from my father was that education is. He was a self artist, Indian commercial artist, but whatever money he had, he helped people educate themselves. So the same value happened to me. So when I was 20 years old, I more or less ran away from home and I became a teacher because I believed in education. So that is the value. So you need to write those things down. Write down your purpose in life. Find out your archetype. You will now know what is to be done. There is another question saying, how do you track it? How do you know you're following your brand? Very good question. So what you do is take a piece of, take a chart paper, write down your values on one side, write down weeks and months on the other side, and say, to display this value, what did I do every day? So you will know over a month, over a year, over 2 years, whether you are up to your values or it is just an empty statement. कोई पूछ रहा है आपका हेयर कहाँ गया? मैंने निकाल दिया. Any other questions? What about social media noise and how to avoid it? Very good question. That is what I said, that if you Google and check how to become a personal brand, it will tell you more about social media. But if you stick to that thing about authenticity, सच्चाई, कि मैं सोशल मीडिया पे जो डाल रहा हूँ वो क्या मेरे मूल्यों के बारे में है, is this reflecting my values, or I'm just, आज मैंने ये खाया, आज आपने ये खाया, इससे सोशल मीडिया से कुछ मतलब नहीं. इट इज़ नॉट अबाउट योर वैल्यूज़ एट ऑल. सो बी केयरफुल what you post. Soon enough you will realize that the people who follow you because they value what you stand for. If you look at the biggest, even the biggest companies in the world, company brands, they are doing the same thing. uh, we are a middle income, middle group athlete. We are 45 plus. What is the scope? I think making a brand at 45 is an impossibility. इसमें कुछ नामुमकिन नहीं. I am 62 years old. I still do rock climbing every weekend. I still believe in equality. I still believe in sharing whatever I do. At 45, you have so much experience. You have been through so many things. Once you put that thing down कि ये मेरी ज़िंदगी का मकसद है, this is what I want to do in life. You have several, at least 40 more years left of you, so you will be able to contribute as a brand. What are the modern techniques and platforms to promote your brand? There is social media is uh, free. Uh, Currently, the biggest social media, I think, platform in India is TikTok. I might be wrong, but it is very close to or has overtaken Facebook. But it has limitations. It has 15. Remember that each social media channel has an audience of a particular type. So, do you want to reach that audience? That's the question. And you need to, therefore, again, go back to defining your brand first. I'm 14 years and I'm an athlete. Should I start building a brand? Beautiful question. In rock climbing, most of the youngsters who are now going to qualify for the Olympics, this year Olympics was supposed to have rock climbing as a discipline. That most of those youngsters who qualified started climbing when they were 6 years old. So if you are 14, yes, I agree, there will be great difficulty in having lots of clarity about what you want to do in life. But take help from your parents, take help from your friends. Say, this is what I want to do, this is what I don't want to do. Sir, how can we make a brand for ourselves while still being an amateur? I don't think brand or branding has anything to do with amateur. It is, as I said, it has to do with who you are as a human being. How strongly do you believe in something? You have heard of this girl called Ananya Pandey, who from Allahabad. She is 9 years old and she has filed a first information report about why the government is not acting on climate change. You have heard of Greta Thunberg, who was 13 years old. In fact, one of the things that is happening is because of social media, younger and younger individuals are able to have an impact on the world. Yeah. How can an athlete like Steve Smith reclaim his brand after scandal? Beautiful question. अगर आप brand हो तो you will be open to negative feedback. So if you have done something wrong, even when we are working with companies, the first thing we say is that अगर कुछ गलती हो गई हो, so the first rule is to accept it and say sorry. ये गलती हो गई, and फिर से होगी नहीं, and I will show to you that it will not happen again. So there is a way to get out of a crisis, and that brings us back to that one word that we said at the end of the talk, which is authenticity. एक बार गलती हुई, लेकिन अब से गलती होगी। ये हम लोग, मेरी ये जो नई सच्चाई है, मैं आपको दिखाना चाहता हूँ। I'm a badminton player. How can I create a business? Was what I've been talking about for half an hour. If you restrict yourself to a brand as an athlete, then you're talking about your performance. And there it will boil down to the normal things. You have to have a great diet, you have to have great training, you have to watch videos, you have to correct your weaknesses, you have to build on your strength. That is as an athlete. So that is, there is performance, there is your personality, there is your philosophy. What today we were talking about is personal, you as a human being. So when you think about Sindhu, you look at, she's humble, and at the same time she's giving back to the sport more than the sport. This is her belief that I must work to give back to the sport because the sport made me famous, the sport gave me a comfortable life, and so on and so forth. Rishabh is saying, talk about authenticity, how everybody is saying the same thing, which is what I was saying, Rishabh. Authenticity is not about communication. You cannot build a brand by communicating your brand. You build a brand by living up to your brand. So if you say that you believe humility, does your humility show with the liftman in your building, or the chaiwala who serves you tea, or the groundsman who does the cricket ground, or the person at the athletic and track field who draws the tracks? Are you showing humility in all circumstances? If you can live up to your humility in all circumstances as a human being, you don't need to separately talk about it. People will talk about it. I gave you the example of Rahul Dravid standing in a queue. उनको क्या जरूरत थी? He could have always said that I'm Rahul Dravid, I'm going there. Now Rahul Dravid did not talk about his humility. Everybody else who were standing in the queue talked about it. So that authenticity is authenticity of behavior. It's not just about communication. How do we stand out when thousands of brands are doing the same thing? No, they are not doing the same thing. All of us are unique. And we are unique in the way our parents brought us up. We are unique in the way we have values. We are unique in the way we approach the world. You don't have to worry about what the rest of the world is doing. You have to focus on yourself and how you're living out your own brand. Beautiful question. How do you tackle the cultural differences as an athlete? Deepak Huda of Haryana. How can this brand himself, where he can be loved by a guy from South India? Have you heard of a gentleman called MS Dhoni? So we as a brand consultant are consultants to a paint company called Indigo Paints, and MS Dhoni is the brand ambassador. Where do you think MS Dhoni is most famous? In Chennai, right? So there is a color after Dhoni which sells the most in Chennai, which is that SK ka yellow. He is the only athlete. Most of the Hindi film heroes do not sell more in South. Most of the South Indian heroes do not appeal to the North. But Dhoni is one person who goes across India. So why is that? That is rising above the cultural divide. How has he risen above the cultural divide? So when he said, when he was made honorary Lieutenant General or whatever that post is of the army, what did he do? he took a break from it and actually served them. That is his authenticity. When you see him on social media, he's not talking about what he ate, he's not talking about what he drank, he's talking about his daughter, how he's bringing up his daughter. So these are things which rise above the cultural divide. It's a beautiful question, but the answer is, when you think of brand, you think of what is common to the world and not what is not common. Not the differences, but what is it that is common to all of us. Which is why I said that first think of yourself as a human being. पहले तो इंसान हो, और इंसान सभी एक है. हम उसी तरह से रोते हैं, उसी तरह से हंसते हैं, उसी से सोते हैं, उसमें कोई फर्क नहीं. So once you have identified yourself as a brand, as a human being, your beliefs, your value system, it will rise above the cultural divides. It will rise above the divides. How to promote gymnastics and acrobatics? I won't know. I did gymnastics in school, but that was very, very primary level gymnastics. There are various organizations. I have a friend. She has started a gymnastics training school, and she has gone quite a few schools, because gymnastics is like Sanskrit, right? If you know Sanskrit, you know many languages. So if you know gymnastics, you can do many sports because it trains your entire body. There is a question from a student who is studying sports management and wondering what role branding will play in his career. As a sports manager, again, the same question. Sports manager is the role, but the bigger role is human being. पहले इंसान, फिर sports manager. So, are you clear about what you want to do in life? You are doing sports manager, playing a role, but is there something more in life that you want to do, which is then you might use sports or might not use sports? So first answer that question. Sorry, let me just charge. How do you make branding of karate sport? If the sport has a story, I think story needs to be told. Not too many people know the story of karate. Is Kalaripayattu the precursor of karate, and Kalaripayattu come first, karate come next? We don't know. So whenever you're talking about a brand which has history, that history needs to be explained, and most of us do not do a good job of explaining the history of a brand. So karate ki history kya hai? What are the things about karate that we know? I think means empty hand. So what are the ways in which we can? How can a element pool build its brand focusing on fitness for all foods? One question is, what is common thread between your three expressions: brand consultant, rock climber, and writer? I'm supposed to answer personal questions. Okay, so the common thread is evolution. All living things evolve. So over time, as human beings have started eating softer food, our jaws have become smaller, have teeth climb on each other, because that is evolution. Evolution happens over time. But as human beings, we have a unique gift. We can do evolution consciously. Use multiple tools to consciously evolve, and you can do evolution on three levels: mind, body, and so that is what those things represent. So meditation represents evolution on spiritual level, rock climbing at physical level, write books at mental level. So that is my brand within books. Any other questions now, or do I allow people to come on the call? Beautiful. How that the brand is heading in the right direction. So, as I said, there is enough research from all over the world to say that the new generation, close to 84 to 85% of the new generation people online do not believe what the brand says. They believe what their peer group says about the brand. So if you do an audit, if you analyze what others are saying about your brand, you get a very clear indication whether your brand is headed in the right direction. That's a nice question. How to do branding of karate sport in a school? I don't think to do separate branding. How can we make branding for sports tournaments like Halo India? Um, is the brand Halo India what it stands for very clear to people? Is what it stands for different for India and for the rest of the world? Its purpose. What is Halo? Is Halo India saying that only 2% of India plays? So in the next 5 years, from 2%, I want it to become 10%. In the 10 years, I want 20% till we become a sporting nation. So once the story of Halo is clear, it will become inspiring to everybody in India, and it will become inspiring to the rest of the world. So if you take the big sporting nations of the world, if you take Japan in my field of rock climbing, they have dramatically changed the method of teaching rock climbing in Japan. And therefore, if the predictions were, if rock climbing came into most of the medals would be won by the Japanese. So is there a higher purpose to Khelo India? Is there a different methodology to Khelo India? All the questions that we just asked. What are the values of Khelo India? Does Khelo India say no child will be denied? If a child has talent, that child must be able to play. If there are such very specific things about Khelo, explained, the story needs to be told to people. Can personality development play a key role in creating the brand for oneself? 100%. So, what is the definition of personality? What when you mean development, are you saying you will use willpower? You will use new tools, multiple tools that test your personality? I earlier mentioned the idea of an archetype, ARCHETYPE. आपको उसको देखना. So these are various ways in which anything that allows you to evolve, anything that allows you to change from what you were yesterday to what you are today is going to help the brand. Triathlon player possibility in international level. Triathlon. If we have unique values but no money to promote our, I'm not very sure, but I think most social media is free. And if you create a community of people who understand your values, they will speak on your behalf. You won't have to do much. Triathlon is a new sport. I have I have a husband-wife friend who are both triathletes, and I know the kind of work. So if you want to become a world athlete, I think hard work is the only way out. You know the stories about how triathletes, how they manage their diet, how they manage their metabolism, how they manage their workouts, how they manage their injuries. That is the big. Do you all have, all of you, do you have athletes or sports people you look up to? Who are your role model, who inspire you today in India or elsewhere around the world? Type your answers. Best way to market yourself? No, you can't market yourself. Marketing का ज़माना चला गया. Social, you have to stick to what is true. Even if you tell lies, you get caught. पूरी दुनिया देखती है कि आप कुछ गलत कर रहे हो और वो सबको पता चले. थंब रूल कहता है कि 24 घंटे पूरी दुनिया जानती है जो कुछ भी गलत हो गया. And news travels faster. So more than anything, it is about living up to what you stand for. Hello. Said hello to me. So we have answered most questions. Are any more? How do you brand for organization like our very own Sai Devanov Finland Public before Kilo? Oh, absolutely. Sai has done an incredible job in managing talent and supporting talent. But as I said, I'm not sure the common man knows the story of Sports Authority of India. Doesn't know the story of how many people it has helped, how many people, how many athletes were helped by them. What is saying is that there are 15 sports in our school, but karate is not thought as a sport. It is the same as martial arts. Mixed martial arts was seen as animals fighting in a cage. That gentleman bought it and created a brand out of it. So remember also a very famous quote that overnight success takes years. Nothing happens overnight. It is just because we have social media does not mean that we are going to become famous. So you will take time. So if you want to build karate, you will have to personally invest in it. Like I told you the story of Gebrselassie, who on the first day that he built that only 5 people came, but over time, Magic Johnson is a person who inspires me. Yes, Magic Johnson is a fantastic name. Yes, I'm basketball coach. Boliye sir, is there a question? So if there are no more questions, we can sign off. It was a fantastic opportunity. Thank you, Mr. Rijiju. Thank you, Mary Sports. No, Dhaval, I know what MMA is and what karate is. I understand that. I think if you study the history of mixed martial arts and how they how they build that brand, then you know how you have to at it for some time. And was asked if a personal brand should be separate from that sport career. Uh, Not really. What you do in is a subset of your overall personal brand. So it will have an effect. The difference between if there is a personal brand and there is a surgeon, he's playing the role of a surgeon, his brand will have a different color and personality than somebody who's an athlete. So he will have a different set of values. Suppose we make a brand out of our talent. Should we combine it with our sports? It won't be separate, Anju. So what we are saying is the human being is the superset and the athlete is the subset. Also, you could be the head of an organization that is also part of the subset. And there is a lot of, you are also a father, you are playing the role of a father. That is also a subset. But the big thing is the human being. And once that is clear, when you are set down those three dimensions, values, archetype, and what is the goal of your life, you will have a very clear way forward. Thank you.